Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another coding video and I'm really sorry I was not active on YouTube. मैं वीडियोस नहीं डाल पाई बिकॉज मैं रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं कर पाई. बीच में मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब थी, फिर मेरी मॉम की तबीयत ख़राब हो गई. एंड अदर देन यूट्यूब आई ऑल्सो हैव सिमरन्स गुड फूड का बिज़नेस. कुछ लोग उसको जानते हैं बट मैं उसके बारे में कभी किसी और वीडियो में और डिटेल में ज़रूर से बताऊँगी. बट इन शॉर्ट अगर मैं कहूँ तो मैं वीडियोज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई. आई एम रियली सॉरी बट आई विल ट्राई टू बी एक्टिव एंड ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड मोर स्टफ्स. ओके, सो आज हम लोकेशंस के बारे में सीखने वाले हैं. तो अगर आपने मेरी पहले की 2 कोडिंग वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी है प्लीज़ आप उसे देख लीजिए बिकॉज़ ये उसका कंटिन्यूएशन होने वाला है. तो आज हम लोकेशंस के बारे में सीखेंगे, क्या होता है लोकेशन और लोकेशंस के कितने कमांड होते हैं और कैसे हम उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये वीडियो में मैं आज बताने वाली हूँ, तो वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर से देखना बिकॉज़ एंड में मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंग्री बर्ड की गेम भी देने वाली हूँ और उसके बारे में भी मैं और डिटेल आपको बताऊँगी. वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखना. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so now my screen is in front of you and as you can see I have already logged in my account. Let's start making a new game. So when I click on create and go to Sprite Lab, we have something like this. We have our workplace and we have our play area. So I'm clicking on these 3 dots and increasing the size of the play area. Now, here, if you observe, wherever I take the plus sign, that means my cursor, there is a number. So here you can see X is 59 and Y is 169. This is nothing but the exact location. Even if I move it a little bit, the position changes. The location of this particular place changes. So now you can see X is 75, Y is 179. Okay. If you go to this corner in the extreme left side and down, you can see X and Y position is 0, 0. Let me just show you that. Yes, the X and Y position is 0, 0. And if you take your cursor upwards, the Y position changes and increasing. These are small pixels that you change. Okay, even if you move your cursor a little bit, 1 pixel is changed. Okay, as you take your cursor upwards, the Y position increases and the maximum Y position is 400. Okay, and X will be 0 at the top left corner. Yes, so X is 0 and Y is 400. Now, from here, if you move to right side, the X position will increase and Y will be constant. X is increasing from 100 to 200 and from 200 to 220, 230, 250, 300 and maximum X value is again 400 at the down right corner. Okay, let me show you that. Y will be stable and X will be 400 in this corner. Yeah, X is 400 and Y is 0. Okay, but if you move diagonally from this corner to the top right corner, both X and Y position will increase together. Okay, now I'm not going exactly straight, but if you go exactly straight and diagonally, you will observe that both the positions, both the numbers will increase together. As you can see, 131, 133 and 150, 150, then 200, 200, and then this here you have 290, 290, then 330, and then in over here on the top right corner you get 400, 400, X and Y. So X position 400, Y position 400. So in your different games and apps, you need to set different locations and exact and particular location of your sprites or objects. So for that, there are 3 commands in the location. When I click on locations in the toolbox, this is the toolbox, we have many location commands. Today, I'm going to show you the first 3 commands. and the other commands we are going to learn about them in the later classes as we make advanced games. So first is the random location. Second one is 200 location command. And third one is location X and Y command. Okay, so I have few activities which we are going to do today. Okay, so to perform this activity, you first have to click on remix. As you click on remix, you will have something like this. Now you are ready to play this activity. Okay, by clicking on these three dots, I'm increasing the size of play area, and I have few different objects and characters here. Okay, and you have to place these on different numbers. Okay, so you can choose any number for any object, and here already there are commands of location. Okay, so this is 200 location command, and you can see the exact location of bunny. First character is bunny, so bunny is on x25 and y25. That means the first box from down, left side. So I will click on this small square. This is the first option how you can place the characters on different locations. Click on this small square and then just move your cursor wherever you like, wherever you want, and just place it in the particular square. You click and the character is set. Okay, we'll try again. I click on this small square. This seems like a spoon shape. You can recognize it that way. You click on this square, you move your cursor, and your character moves with your cursor. You can place it anywhere that you want, okay, in the particular square. Again, click on square, the bird comes. You can keep the bird anywhere you like. So I like here. Okay, next is the octopus. I click here, keep the octopus here. Okay, next is the penguin. So I click on the square, you click on any box that you like, and this is the easiest way to set your objects or sprites on any particular place. Okay, next is location X and Y, this location command. Let me show you how this works. For this, you have to take your cursor to any square. For example, number 7, keep the plus icon, the cursor, the middle of the cursor in the middle of the square. Okay, I keep it in the middle, and now you have to note down the exact position. X is written 274, Y is written 72. You have to note it in your book. You can write it down in a paper. Then you have to type it in the XY command. Okay, so 274 and 72. So I'm gonna change this 274. See, as you change the X position, the fish, our sprite fish, changes the X position. And as you change Y position 72, it comes on the proper box, the number 7 box. Okay, let's try once again. I'm going to change the location of this fruit salad or whatever it seems to you. Okay, I want the fruit salad at number 3. I keep my cursor in the middle. I note down the numbers, the location X 379, Y 127. Okay, 379, 127. So X 379. See, X position changed. Okay, and okay, now Y was 125. Okay, so even if you forget 1 or 2 pixels, that's fine, because 1 pixel or 2 pixel might not matter that much. But if you are playing a particular game or app, making an app, it might affect. Okay, so now let's try one more. Okay, this time I have the ice cream. So ice cream, let's keep it in a number 9. Okay, so I keep my cursor in the middle. I can see X 325, Y 324. You can even make it 325, 325. Let's try that. So X 325 and Y 325. You see? So if you go diagonally, as I told you, and diagonally, both the positions are same. This comes in the diagonal row, or you can say the diagonal line. Okay. So now, even the octopus, you can say octopus can be exactly same. So 274 and 276, just 2 pixels different. Okay. Now comes the smiley. I want smiley to be here. See, x is 74, y is 125. So x is 74 and y is 125. See, now the last but not the least, the butterfly will come in number 2. 174 and 19. So x 174 and y 19. See, all my characters are properly placed in the particular squares with the help of exact positions and the command location 200 command. Okay. Now, I have another interesting activity for you. I'm not going to do this, but you are going to do this. So when you click on this activity, you have something like this. First, you click on remix. Then you can increase the size of play area so it is easier for you to work. And now, this is a kind of match the column. You must have played this in your school times. So let's place these objects near the correct animal. Okay. So these are what the particular animal eats. Okay. So as we know, the cat drinks milk, so you can keep the milk in the box near to the cat. Okay. So the banana goes to the monkey. The giraffe is heighted, so you can give tree to the giraffe because he's heighted, and the grass can go to the cow because cow cannot reach the top of the tree. So that's how you can solve this puzzle. Okay, there are already location commands which is connected here, and you just have to place them on in the proper box. Okay, I'm not going to show you that because now I guess you already know. You can get the link of these two activities in the description box, so you can solve both these activities and you can try it by yourself. Now comes the third command, which is random location, which you must have already understood if you must have seen my other two videos. We already made a game using that, but let me show you that once again. Okay, I'm gonna come back here and let's take a background quickly. I'm gonna show you something. So let's take this amazing rainbow background and I'm gonna add a butterfly here. Go to costumes and quickly take a butterfly. Let's take this one. So if you don't know how to add more characters, you can watch my other videos, and I have shown you that in my last two tutorials. Okay, yeah, so I have this butterfly. Now I'm gonna make a event when butterfly is clicked. So when I click my butterfly, I will change the location of my butterfly. Okay, so I go to sprites. I take jump to. Okay, I'm taking a jump command, jump to random location. This is where the third command comes in the use, random location. Okay, so jump to random location and I'm going to change the image to butterfly. Let's check. I run it. Whenever I click my butterfly, it changes and it goes to any random location. Now this random location is decided by the computer. So you click, you move your butterfly anywhere on the screen. Okay, this is how you can make use of different location commands and make your interesting game. So this was it for today. I have both the links in the description box. You can go and practice these games of location. You can get hands-on experience what exactly and how exactly these command works. Okay, and other than this, I also have very interesting Angry Bird game for you all, and where you only have to give instructions to the Angry Bird to go in the four directions. You must be knowing north, south, east, west directions. So you can go ahead and play those Angry Bird game as well. So that's it for today, and don't forget to take both the links from the description box and do practice it. If you have any doubt regarding location or any other topic, please comment and let me know. I will try and answer all your queries as soon as possible. So don't forget to play the Angry Bird game as well. It's very easy and it's very fun. So that's it for today, and I will see you very soon with my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.